So Nanda Maharaj is showing everyone their bedrooms in his palace. Everyone's really excited. They're moving in, unpacking their bag. All the Sakhis and Mandris are unpacking Radharani's bag and setting up all her clothes and ornaments and getting ready for the outing in Nandagram. You're there. You have to imagine. It's not like it's not the book is there and you're here. It's you're there, and your Mandri's through. Oh, and the room is so clean, and you put everything exactly where it's supposed to be because you remember from last year. Last year when Radharani came, she wanted this here and that here and this here and that here. So you're putting everything exactly in the right place. And Radharani's watching you and she says, oh, you remember? Because when you unpacked last year, you put this over there and I moved it over there, but you remembered. Yeah, I remember. You like it just there near your bed when you wake up. So, you're a paricharani, paricharani, anucharani. You're a very smart Mandri. You remember exactly how you arranged my room last year in Nandagram, and then I rearranged it according to exactly how most comfortable to me. And now this year you're already arranging it like last year because you remember. This is the booty of the Mandri. How to perfectly serve Radharani. Yeah. So they see their quarters and they unpack. And after this, Vrishabhanu Maharaj, Kirtida, Mata, Radhika and all the Sakhis and Yuteshwaris take a snack. It's been a long journey in that palanquin, bouncing around and really get a lot of appetite.